Hi, good evening. Today is the 9th January 2025. Today I will review this one our today's trade. So you can see here the first candle was closed this area. The first candle 9:15 candle. It's a very big candle. So that is opened around 23,682 and closed near 23,618. So around near about 60 70 point is a single candle. So there was a downfall. So with that, if you see in the since it is a close 23,618, so I selected 23,600 C and 23,600 P, 600 P. So here if you see, this is a bottom trailing stop loss order. This is and top, if you see, top is the okay. So I entered here. I entered around 53, and next candle if you see 53, and it has came down to 44, around 9 point it came down. But next candle if you see, next candle is the green candle. So hence we are not changing the stop loss. So once next candle is made red, so I have changed the stop loss. 53 I entered and 52 I put them. Now we are in a 1 point profit. So next candle also red. Then I change it to 43. Then next candle also red. Then I change it to 39. So here if you see 53 minus 39, near about 14 point. In a first trade we booked 14 point. Booked 14 points. Okay. Next, if you see, next this is called reversal. This is also up to reversal, and the oscillator is also made green, and the accelerator indicator made above 0. So above 0 means there is no need to check any trade during the this thing. Though it is favoring in the candles are favoring, but above 0 line if it is there, we will not take the trade. So the same time, if you see in the PE side, this is the 23,600 PE. (23,600C) and 23,600 PE. So here if you see, awesome oscillator and awesome oscillator is in green, and the accelerator indicator is in red. Where it is getting supported? This is getting supported this area. Around this area it is getting supported. This candle only it is getting supported. So hence what we did here. So this is the fractal. Now this below this fractal, below this fractal we did the stop loss trigger order, and we got the trigger entry 27. And again if you see here, then there is a hit of stop loss, means next candle itself hit of stop loss. So there is no profit and no loss this area. So again if you see, this is a both are in the other side, it's a candle got reversal. And if you see in the C side, this point we got the signal here. This point we got the signal. So around this point. Okay, so hence what we did the stop loss trigger order in this area. That is near about 27. We entered 27. Then after entering there is a green candle. Then we stop loss we change it to this one around 24. Then again green candle, stop loss we change it to 21. Then again we change it to the stop loss to 16. That is stop loss already got hit. Means 27 means 16 means Here about 11 point, we booked 11 point here. So 14 plus 11 point. So around 25 point we booked in this area. So again, if you see in this side, if you see, this is the area this is getting supported. You can see here there are two red bar, and again accelerator indicator is supporting the below zero line. So hence we put the stop loss trigger order this area. From this area we put the stop loss trigger order. So which we got triggered here, means around this area we got the triggered. So 58 we got the trigger 58. This is a very big candle. We were due to the very big candle. What I did immediately, I trialed up to near one third up to near around 30 I trialed. So up to this area trialed, and the next candle got already reversal. So matlab 58 minus 30, that means 28 point. Here we booked 28 point. So again, immediately got reversal. Everything accelerator indicator, have some accelerator, everything in the top. So hence we are not taking any trade in this side. And if you see in the CE side already got, means CE side, if you see, this is a very downfall, it is came. So hence we are changing the strike. Now 23,602, we are changing to 23,550. 23,550 we are changing. So 23,550, if you see, this area is giving the signal. Here two candle, and this area is giving the signal. So hence stop loss trigger order, you can see this below this fractal, stop loss trigger order, and stop loss also, and above that. So you see here we entered around 23, and slowly we have moved into the stop loss, and this area got hit, means 16. We entered around 23, and again we got hit by around this area we got hit. So 13. So then afterwards, what we did here, we booked around 23,16, 9 point. Booked 9 points. Then afterwards, we were waited. This is and all accelerator indicator, everything is in the above zero line. Hence, we have not taken the trade. Again, where it has given the signal, given, a continuous signal is given this area. This area is given, it's slowly coming down. This is slowly coming down. This is the area signal given. So hence, what we did, we entered this area below this one. We entered around 6 point, and fully we captured 6 point. Fully we captured around 6 point. We captured 9 plus 6. 15 point. So earlier means 23,600 we booked 25 points. Here 15 points. So 15 plus 25, 40 points. Then here P side we booked 28 points. Total we booked 68 point. £68. Okay, here actually one thing I want to just compare with the current week strike and next week strike. Now today what I did, executed only current week strike only. With the current week strike with a small premium itself, I captured 68 point. Same way, if I am going for the next week, what will going to happen? We will see. Okay. Now we are changing the 23,600 next week. 23,600 next week means 16th January CE, and 23,600 next week PE. Okay. So the first trade, if you see, same way, this is the first trade. The first trade where we entered, this is the first trade. This is the first trade. Okay. So after entering means this is the signal is giving here. Here we are getting the proper signal. Here also we are getting the proper signal both. Here we got the signal. So now we got the entry around 205. So 205, that means we supposed to have nearly around 10 to 15 point. We supposed to 205 means I am putting a stop loss of 2015, 215 or 216. I am putting the stop loss. So that much we need to put the stop loss. So first candle is already over, and second candle, if you see, that is a green candle. So green candle means we should not change the stop loss. Then next candle is a red candle. So that means we are changing the stop loss to near red candle. That means 205. Now now we stop loss 209 means 4 point we are means risking. So next candle also green red candle. So now what I am doing, I am changing to the 202, 203. So 205 I entered and 203. So now, as per the strategy, if it is a green candle, we should not means change the stop loss. But here, if you see, this is actually showing green candle. This area means 940 candle is showing the green candle. Whereas in the current week strike, so this was given the red candle. It was given red candle. That is why we have changed the stop loss to near to the this thing. So where we booked near about first trade itself, we booked near about I think 14 points we booked in the first trade itself. We booked. So here it is not possible as per the this thing. This is showing as a green. Hence we are not changing the stop loss. Here we booked only 2 points. Here we booked only 2 points. Okay. So next trade, if you see, next here there is no indicator. Here it is giving the signal. Afterwards here this area it is giving the signal. This area is giving the signal. Here. So so this and all above the green. Hence we are not taking the trade. So here it is getting the signal. Once if you are entering also after giving the signal, below this fractal only we are entering. So what we are entering, we are entering into the 189 we are entering. Then next candle is a red candle. We are changing the stop loss. Next, then again we are changing the stop loss. So 177. Here what we did, 188, 177. Here we booked around 11 point. Again we booked plus 11 points. Okay, this is the thing we booked. So here we waited. Actually we waited. Even some people might have entered in 199 also, but we will not take such type of risk. So here it is not another 2 bar. This bar was made the means reversal entry. That is why we took that trade here. Then afterwards, if you see here in the C side there is no further opportunity. Opportunity is now here, it is showing here. This area is showing. Opportunity is showing this area. In that actually there is no trigger. Entry is not giving a. Entry is not giving a. No entry. Till the end day there is no entry in the C side further. Same way you see in the P side. P side here there is no entry, and as per our signal where it is giving a signal is giving this area. This area only it is giving the signal. This area only it is giving the signal. Here slope and this again this two candle has to come there this thing and below this one. So there is no entry, means here we put the stop loss trigger, but there is no entry. And again if you see again here there is a signal. Here there is a signal. Here we can put the stop loss trigger order signal. Here we put the stop loss trigger order. So stop loss trigger order, what we did, this is a 174 we entered, and we 174 become 153, and we trialed since it's a big candle, we trialed up to 154. So 154 we trialed up to with this 154. So 20 point, near 20 point we booked here. Okay, so this is the thing today we did. Further there is no entry. Here also there is no entry. Here there is a small chance, but whereas this PSAR and alligators are not supporting. Then again there is a trade during the 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock if you see now, this area is giving the trade. This area is giving the trade. This is a 3 o'clock candle. This is 3 o'clock candle. This area is giving the trade. So 191 again. 191 become you see here 191, and this is a red candle, green candle. Hence we are not changing it. So then again we entered 191 and 174. So near about 15 point. We booked here 15 point. So 15 plus 35. 35. So 35, and this C side, if you see C side, we booked 35 plus 13, 45, 48 point. So all together, so if you see current week strike with current week strike. Current week strike we booked 35 plus 13 means 48. Whereas in current week is next week. Next week strike booked 48 point. But current week strike we booked 68 points. Hence the lesson is always always trade with current week during expiry. So this is the lesson. This is the lesson. So though it is a very less premium, so current week strike itself giving lot of premium DK, and we can able to capture more points. So today the learning is there is no need to means go for the next week because of the higher premium. So by trading the higher premium, we used to give the taxes also used to give more, and by trading with lower premium, the charges and other things are also less. So that is a better we can go with the current week only. There is no need to go for the next week strike during the expiry day. Thank you for watching. So we will tomorrow we'll see.